Turkey's NATO-backed military might versus Israel's high-tech defense machine, who's stronger? Turkey ranks 9th in global military power, while Israel holds the 15th spot, both key players in a volatile region. Turkey's President Erdogan and Israel's PM Netanyahu steer their nation's defense policies, shaping strategies in a complex geopolitical landscape. Turkey's defense budget stands at $47 billion, surpassing Israel's $30.5 billion. Turkey's 883,900-strong force dwarfs Israel's 670,000, showcasing a larger, more expansive military structure. Turkey fields 355,200 active duty soldiers, more than double Israel's 170,000, emphasizing rapid response readiness. Israel has 465,000 reserve troops, exceeding Turkey's 378,700. Turkey's 150,000 paramilitary units triple Israel's 35,000, playing a key role in internal security and border control. Israel's 90 nuclear warheads give it a strategic edge, while Turkey has none, a defining factor in regional deterrence. The Turkish land forces and Israel's army are tailored to their unique terrains, from mountains to deserts. Israel's 526,000 army personnel narrowly edge Turkey's 518,900, balancing quality and quantity. Turkey's 2,238 tanks outnumber Israel's 1,300, reflecting a focus on armored warfare. Turkey's 61,173 armored vehicles triple Israel's 35,985, enabling rapid troop mobility and deployment. Turkey's 1,038 self-propelled artillery far exceeds Israel's 352, emphasizing firepower and battlefield flexibility. Turkey's 1,707 towed artillery pieces dwarf Israel's 171, showcasing conventional firepower superiority. Turkey's 296 mobile rocket projectors outgun Israel's 183, boosting long-range strike capabilities. The Turkish and Israeli air forces deploy cutting-edge tech to dominate contested skies. Turkey's 115,000 air staff exceed Israel's 89,000, though Israel's advanced tech narrows the gap. Turkey's 1,083 total aircraft overshadow Israel's 611, but Israel's focus on quality ensures combat readiness. Israel's 240 fighters narrowly outfly Turkey's 201, prioritizing air superiority in contested zones. Israel's 38 specialized attack planes fill a role Turkey lacks, focusing on precision strikes. Turkey's 84 transport aircraft dwarf Israel's 13, crucial for logistics across vast territories. Turkey's 287 trainer aircraft double Israel's 159, investing heavily in pilot training and readiness. Turkey's 28 specialized aircraft edge Israel's 19, enhancing surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities. Israel's 14 refueling planes double Turkey's 7, extending the range and endurance of their air forces. Turkey's 508 helicopters triple Israel's 147, vital for troop mobility, medevac, and combat support. Turkey's 111 gunships overpower Israel's 48, amplifying close air support for ground troops. Israel's 5 radar planes slightly outpace Turkey's 4, sharpening airspace monitoring and early warning capabilities. Turkey's 443-plus drones dominate Israel's 15-plus, revolutionizing modern warfare with reconnaissance and strike capabilities. Turkey's 115 airports dwarf Israel's 37, enabling flexible and widespread air operations. The Turkish Navy and Israeli Navy protect their waters with vastly different fleets. Turkey's large, versatile force contrasts Israel's smaller, highly advanced naval capabilities. Turkey's 100,000 naval personnel far exceed Israel's 19,500, reflecting its focus on maritime dominance. Turkey's 182 fleet strength overpower Israel's 62, projecting power across the Mediterranean and beyond. Neither nation operates carriers, focusing instead on coastal defense and versatile fleets. Turkey's one amphibious assault ship outmatches Israel's 0, enhancing expeditionary capabilities. Turkey's 13 submarines surpass Israel's 5, though Israel's subs may carry nuclear capabilities. Neither nation fields destroyers, relying instead on other naval assets. Turkey's 17 frigates reinforce its maritime power, whereas Israel does not possess any. Turkey's 9 corvettes edge Israel's 7, reflecting investments in coastal and regional naval power. Israel's 46 patrol vessels narrowly top Turkey's 41, securing maritime borders and exclusive zones. Turkey's 11 dedicated mine countermeasure ships secure its waters, while Israel uses alternate methods. Turkey's 54 ports dwarf Israel's 5, anchoring its role as a maritime hub in the region. Turkey partners with the US, UK, Azerbaijan, Pakistan, Qatar, and Italy, while Israel strengthens ties with the US, UK, Canada, Australia, France, and India. So, who's the ultimate military powerhouse? Let us know in the comments. Want more deep dives? Watch all my military comparisons here, and don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe to Ceylon Master for your daily dose of global defense insights. Stay curious, stay informed,